So you want to use some celery stalks and some carrots. So first of all, wash them and then roughly chop them. And place them into your crock pot. Roughly chop an onion. Is a container of chicken bones and chicken scraps that from chicken that we cooked the other day that will be put in the crock pot next. Its shape. Next, put in a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so this we kind of just throw in, and it's approximately probably 1 to 2 teaspoons ish, and dried herbs. So the ones that we are using is oregano and rosemary. Eyeballing approximately a tablespoon of vinegar. So next we're just going to pour in water to cover everything. It's probably going to be about 1 inch from the top. So now we're just going to put the top on it and put it on low for approximately 8 to 10 hours. So it is late at night now, but we are going to show you how we strain off the chicken bones and carrots and all that stuff and put our, it's almost midnight right now, put our broth into jars. So we're going to do that right now. So here is what it looks like right now. Scooping it out with a measuring cup from the crock pot and then straining it through this sieve and then putting the rest of the scraps into this bowl that will be discarded. So this is what we got from the crock pot. So these are half-gallon jars, so it's almost a gallon-ish. So that's basically how you make chicken broth, whatever broth, by just straining it through a sieve and putting your scraps into a bowl and then straining it again through the sieve into your jars. And this is a good amount for, you know, stews. And you know what makes rice cook really well and taste really good is instead of using water, cook your rice with broth. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching our video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!